Welcome, boys and girls. Eugene here, Hughes Motorized. Alright, I want your comments down below here if you agree with me, if you disagree with me. 2 times in the last couple of days, I have read online, people share accounts, they're tearing ass down the road on their little motorized bike, and they're in the left-hand turn lane, or they're doing this, doing that, and a car almost takes them out. I've got a philosophy that I'd love to hear your feedback on. My philosophy is this. I'm going down the road. I'm on my motorized bike. I'm 180 pounds. My bike's what, 70, 80 pounds? Those of you who like to eat biscuits, let's add another 100 or 200 pounds, whatever, onto that. My little Fiat 500, 2,400 pounds, thereabouts, and then every other vehicle on the road that much more, right? Who's going to win? Me. I'm going to win by staying the hell away from those cars. I don't have the right of way. I don't have my lane. I don't have me firsties or none of that shit. None of it. You outweigh me. You're in the car. You've got to keep in mind that people driving cars, they have to do something that you really can't do on a motorized bike so much. They have to drive and operate the vehicle, but while they're doing that, they're texting. They're not paying any attention to you. While they're texting, they're going to go bump, bump. What was that? That's your ass. They just ran over. Okay? I tear ass through my neighborhood. I don't get on busy streets. In my opinion, you've got no flipping reason. I don't care if it's licensed to be on the street. No. Motorized bicycles don't belong out there in the destruction derby called city traffic or anything like that. You're going to lose. I always look at it, I'm going through the neighborhood, I see a car coming, I have it in my mind, they're out to kill me. They're not going to pay attention to me, they're going to pull out in front of me, they're going to run me off the road. So I make it a point to just, I go through the neighborhood, either I can go a little bit faster than any cars behind me. Now granted, I'm not going to hit 80 or 100 miles an hour, but for the most part, I'm going to go and I'm listening for cars and I'll pull over. I see cars, I'll pull over. I let them go. I stop and go, nope, you go first, go. It served me well. Now granted, I still may get taken out by Hillary driving a stolen beer truck or whatever, or a bolt of lightning or something. Freak accidents happen. My pops, way back in the day, he had a Harley Davidson. He's tearing ass down the road in, I think, San Diego. Back in the day, he was in the Navy, had his Harley. He was at a stop sign. Somebody rear-ended him, knocked him off the bike. Pops, his head hit the ground, whatever. He got a nice little head injury out of it. He recovered from it. Fast forward, he's with me. I'm a teenager. We're cruising down the highway going to visit Grandma. He goes to pull into a convenience store. Well, there's a motorcycle coming out. And my pops damn near ran right over that motorcycle. Motorcycle was just as plain as my bald head was, and he drove right for him, didn't even notice him, and at the last second I screamed, "Dad, stop," and he slammed the brakes on and was about that close from hitting the guy on the bike. So my father knew about motorcycles, knew about safety, but you're even less, okay? You on that little bitty motorized bicycle represent much less of something that's going to get someone's attention, okay? They're thinking about more important things while they're driving, least of which is you on your little bitty motorized bicycle. Isn't that cute? Too bad I just ran your ass over. That's my thought. Motorized bicycles have no business rubbing elbows with cars in traffic. And if you think so, share your comments. I'd love to hear your viewpoints. Yeah, in an ideal world, we should be able to do that. But no, you have no safety, no nothing. So be careful. I don't want to see any of my fellow motorized bicycle enthusiasts go to the emergency room or the morgue. There's enough of us, okay, that have done that. So take care of yourself. Wear a helmet. Stay the hell away from cars, okay? Peace.